Who worries, why we worry, and how to know if we worry too much. We all worry at least a little bit. Worry about a test grade, a presentation at work, or if you remembered to turn off your curling iron. It happens. Worry is a natural part of life and is hardwired into our being. However, for some, a concern can be more than passing thoughts throughout the day. It can seem to take over aspects of life. Keep reading to learn about worriers, worrying, and how to tell if you're worrying too much. Who worries? For starters, everyone worries. However, research has shown that the root can be found in both nature and nurture. There is a genetic component to worrying, so for some, it cannot be avoided as easily. However, there are individuals that, thanks to nurturing, are more likely to be worriers. Children who are the product of divorced homes or who took on a role reversal with their parents are more likely to worry throughout their life. On the flip side of this, children who have overprotective parents are also more likely to suffer. The moral is that anyone can be a worrier in today's world, but many are affected by their home life during their formative years. Why do we worry? People can worry over many things, but what is the driving force behind obsessive worriers? Those working in the mental health realm have been able to pinpoint two main reasons that worriers tend to agree on: worrying about preventing things from happening, and suffering to keep things from getting to that point when the bad things can happen. Worriers sometimes agonize over something that may not even be possible of happening. Are we worrying too much? How do you know if you're worrying too much? Well, it is quite simple, really. Is your worry taking over areas of your life? This will be if your relationships are suffering, have you given up hobbies due to anxiety, or are you struggling to stay afloat at work? Second, is your worry manifesting into physical symptoms? Fatigue, insomnia, migraines, stomach aches, and heartburn are all physical symptoms of what's occurring in your mind. Finally, is your worry causing you to develop other mental illnesses? Depression can often be caused by generalized anxiety disorder. Anxiety can be caused by obsessive worrying. If you can answer yes to any of these, then you're worrying too much. If you can relate to any of these thoughts or symptoms, then you should consider reaching out to a healthcare provider so you can reduce your worry.